So today I'm going to be sharing with you my number 2 tip when starting a food forest, and that is to get those perennials in the ground ASAP. Now, perennials are going to be the foundation of your food forest, and if you're like me, then you started gardening with an annual garden, which is great, but when you start plugging in these perennials as part of a food forest system, you are making one of the best investments of your life. Many of the fruit trees that you'll be planting can take anywhere between 2 to 7 years to start to produce a sizable fruit harvest. From that point forward, you'll be reaping a harvest time and time again, year after year, with minimal effort, and that is truly what food foresting is all about. So a good place to start is to do research for your particular area and find out what's going to grow well in your climate zone. Understand USDA climate zones and what plants you should be able to put in the ground that will perennialize and survive over winter and come back the following year. So whether it's fruit trees or berry shrubs, biodynamic accumulators like the comfrey, perennial flower bulbs like these daffodils here, vining crops like the cold hardy kiwi, grapevines, herbs like rosemary, oregano, and so much more. The list goes on and on. Here I've got some echinacea re-emerging as a perennial. There's an artichoke that perennializes here in zone 9B. Down between these 2 fruit trees is some lemongrass coming back. Got some mugwort over here, all providing for us year after year. So what I recommend that you do is first get those perennials in the ground, get your design laid out, and whenever you have a little open patch, you can go ahead and plug in some of your favorite annuals in those areas. So tomatoes, eggplants, corn, whatever the case is, use those as secondary crops and make the foundation of your design perennial based. Alice? Alice? I see you.
Yeah. I can't hide in your plant abundance.
What are you doing?
I want this big to cook tonight.
Holy moly.
Yeah. Charan! It's a beautiful one.
Everything is looking so abundant at the moment. We had some rains come in yesterday, and literally all the plants probably grew at least a couple inches, and everything's looking green. The flowers are in bloom. It's just a wonderful time to be out in the garden and enjoying every single moment of it, whether I be planting, weeding, doing a bit of redesign, adding new elements into the food forest. This is what it's all about right here, and there's just really nothing that compares to it, and I just want you guys to be able to experience it too. So if you want to grow food in abundance, think about developing a food forest. It could be a smaller scale or a larger scale design than what you see here, but it's very much worth it. It's a wonderful investment, and I hope you take me up on that. Oh geez, she's hiding from me again. Honey. Saw her over here. Honey. What are you doing back there?
Hiding. Hiding in your...
Cardoon.
Hiding sitting in your car, dude.
Lots of bees, huh?
I think they are friendly because they're not biting me.
Yeah, if you don't disturb them, they're just garden buddies. The heck?
Yeah, I am watching them.